Alright, so it's been like 4 days. This is since I posted like a tutorial-esque video, and I'm just gonna be like making some hair for this one. Like, alright, like right here. Ooh. Alright, got my references set up right here, and I just recently made this wonderful thing right here, and I'm still not all that good at talking, like while working for videos, but I'm just gonna like go a little bit slow. I feel like I'm missing something that I should explain, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just gonna go slow so y'all can follow my process. That kinda looks like the type of. Oh yeah, that's gonna work. All right, bet. Damn it, bro. When am I supposed to talk about something, bro? Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't know what to say, bro. Fuck. Dang it. All right, I'm back. I just had to go eat my breakfast, man. All right, bro. Yeah, I'm just gonna get started. I'm gonna start off with the sides too, because I feel like it might be. It's gonna be easier to get the floor. With the mirror modifier, rotate. Oh, I should probably put the head on, shouldn't I? I'm gonna take it off though and model the full hair afterwards. Oh my goodness. Uh, burn. Not gonna make it. It looks like a little side hair things. I'm gonna match the ears right here. I'm just bring it back a little bit. Oh no. Then just dang. Okay. Oh, this is so weak, bro. Holy hell. My mic wasn't on the whole time, bro. I was just speaking to nothing. Bro, I was just seeing it happen to somebody that I was watching not too long ago. No way! I was literally telling myself I wouldn't let that happen to me. Bro, I wasn't saying anything too important, so I'm not like too mad. Like, what the hell, bro? Damn it! Well, I was basically saying this isn't like the best method. It's like not the most efficient to doing hair, but since I'm kind of starting and where he hasn't like no top, it's like it will do. I'm still gonna like model the top, but I want to get the shapes and stuff right, and like the front view look right before I really go in on it. Yeah. Dang it, bro. No way. That whole time, bro. Well, I haven't been recording for that long, so I can't. Yeah, I'm not too bad. Jeez, bro. Oh, man. I gotta put this under here. Ooh, I don't know. I don't know if I should make the straps go over the hair or not. I think I'm getting a little bit better at this talking thing with the YouTube. I don't even think I heard y'all heard me say that. I don't know how long I was muted for. Excuse me, bro. What should I do? This like that. Nah, we're gonna see. Go back. Just imagine the ear. It's right here, bro. I like it. I like the hair shape that he has though. It's like kind of tough. What should I do? Right there. I'm gonna bring this out a little bit more and make it a bit thicker. Scale it up. And I'm also gonna add this tiny little hair thingy. So scale that down. Bring this It's kind of gonna go look like whack from the side view, but it's nothing I can't like fix. I just want to establish the like front POV looking good. And since these references are like 100% on each other, it's like I gotta do a little bit of interpretation for most of the stuff. As long as it looks cool in the end, it's like not really that big of a deal. Now, if I had like a concrete, solid reference, then I mean that would be better. But like, yeah, what you got? This is weirdly close. Oh, jeez. I'm kind of liking it. All right, all right. Well, I'll be reading books of old legendary tales. Spider-Man's control and Batman is his face. Bro, I think I might put that song on. Superhero. I might have to get some curve on this. I don't want them to all be like straight, like straight up back. I'm just trying to add like a little bit of curve to it. Yo, I'm liking this shape. I can't lie. Let me make this a bit thicker. Try and fill in some space. I don't want to have to like add too many strands. So I'm just trying to make it thick, but not make it too thick so it's weird. This, bro, that can be a bit more thicker right here. Yeah. I just don't want to make the shapes too awkward. Okay, might size it then. Not bad, not too bad. Enough of this. Let me see. Have a little more. Get that curve in. Bro, am I speaking loud enough? Oh yeah, alright. I think so. I don't got an official microphone yet. I don't know yet if I might make this part a little bit faster, because it's kind of gonna ruin my thought. I'm just gonna skip to like important stuff. Hold on. Bro, I don't know. I think I might just post this as a separate hair, like a part of Sniper Mesh. So I'm not too worried about these straps, but you want to make sure that when you're doing it, that your thing is like on the hair, so like you can rotate and stuff and have it be accurate. My main thing is just like not making the shape look goofy. A cool looking shape. Also, yeah, I gotta make these connect. Shrink this. Shrink it. Cause it's like, damn. Alright, I'm gonna figure it out. Alright, I kind of finished with like the shaping for the most part. And another thing I like to like keep track of. What's happening? Oh man. Another thing I like to keep track of like the triangles, cause cause like you can only upload UGC with like a maximum of 4,000. And also, like, it's just good to have optimized triangles. For the model itself, I didn't really optimize the triangles, so, but you just check. See, this is like the borderline going over the limit. So I gotta do some optimizations here. I don't think I'm gonna upload this as UGC, so I kind of decided to cheese the hair most of the way through. Because look, he's like completely bald out there. But I'm gonna show like a essential thing to like make a hair, and it's like connecting, merging. So first, like for example, I want to merge these control jack. What the heck is that? Wait. merge into a control jack. Then go here and then press M, merge at center. And do this right here. Keep going. And then make sure you this hair isn't the best like example to showcase this on because it has a weird shape and it kind of dips off to the back like this. But like it's kind of like this is what I do personally, where I just merge these. Also, you can apply your shading if you want. Turn it up. Yeah, I don't plan to upload this as UGC though. It's kind of mediocre tutorial. I don't even know if it counts as a tutorial. But like the whole takeaway of this is like you can just be creative and do whatever you want with hair as long as it looks cool. And just make sure your stuff is optimized or whatever. I'm gonna get to finishing this back eventually. Like, let me say the whole thing on. You can see it looks pretty cool, man. Honestly, I don't think I like it being joined because see that's basically what I was saying. You don't have to join stuff. I didn't know if I like that. That's true. Dang it. Too late. Yeah. Let's peep it. Boom. Right, now we kind of looks like Sniper Match. Yeah, they need to release a season 2. I guess that's it, bro. I think I might make it more a better video. We can really showcase this. How do I end the video, bro? Make sure you like and subscribe, guys. Yeah, yeah, yeah.